there, guys. My name is Kat, and what today is quickly. Okay, so first of all, yes, my voice is here. Okay, and I have not been doing this because first of all, I'm sorry I didn't get the video up that I had my puppies. I'm so sorry about that. I guess I just messed up. I recorded like 3 videos, and I uploaded one of them, and my voice thing wasn't working, so my brother had to fix it again. Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't working. So then, I'm sorry I didn't record of these. I didn't record me having my puppies. But I just want to say something really quick, guys. Okay, I have puppies, right? You guys can actually, actually comment down below names for my puppies. So like next generation, I'll have puppies. This video or like a few videos before, comment puppy names. So I can choose that name and put it in, and I'll tell you what names, and just comment that name, and I will pick out of all of them my favorite. Okay, guys? And you might be lucky. So there's a lot of people that actually don't comment because I've found my videos and they're not commented on. So please do this. Hopefully my microphone is working. If it is, thank gosh. But if it isn't, I'm sorry that you can't hear me right now. Okay, I better talk. Oh no! Wait, there's 2. I've never seen a double coyote collision. Something, I don't know. What is it called when there's 2 things? A double coyote mess? I don't know what to call it. There's 2 coyotes. Look, there's another coyote up there. You gotta kill that coyote too, so it doesn't kill the puppies. Your puppies can die. Out of all of my generations of having puppies on YouTube, on WolfQuest, I don't think I've ever actually had a puppy die. If I have, I don't remember. But yeah. So I don't remember if I had a puppy die one time on YouTube. But if I did have a puppy die, please comment down below that I did so I can remember. Yeah. I don't really know how to say it, but go beat my puppets. Okay. One time I wasn't playing WolfQuest. I was like, the first time I played WolfQuest ever in my life was like 2 years ago. Something like that, when I first moved into this apartment. But the first time I ever played WolfQuest, I was actually really good at it. Because I watched people play it. And I was actually really good at it. That was my first video game that I was amazing at first starting. Like, literally, I could hunt elk like, bum, bum, bum. I could literally hunt elk that fast. I'm not kidding. But I can now. I don't know what happened to me. My career has fallen. But, nuh-uh, sweaty. Monster, get back up. Monster, get back up. I'm really scared. Where'd he go? We'll wait till he comes back. London. Oh no. This is where things get hard. You have to howl really quick so the puppies get back together. It's an easier way to get your whatever that thing is up. It's an easier way, and we gotta hurry before that cougar there, mister, comes to kill my puppies. Oh, dang, that hurt. Mr. Cougar? You ain't. This is Mrs. or Mr.? This is a female cougar. Okay. Lady. Come back here, Mrs. Cougar. Mrs., Mrs. Cougar, you better come back here before you die. Mrs. Cougar. Come here! Why are cougars so fast? Why are cougars so fast? Literally, I don't understand. You know what? We're just gonna go back. Hopefully that thing comes back so we can kill it, or at least chase it off. I have actually Okay, never mind. I was gonna say something. Never mind. Okay, guys. If you have heard of this game, okay, I'd say something. Deadkins Productions, she's like my favorite of all YouTubers except Poplar and Rose. They are amazing. Please go check out their channel. And Deadkins Productions. If you are from Deadkins Productions, please go check out her channel. She's amazing. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers to ever exist in existence. And I was on one of her live streams. And she thought I was a guy. It's the name. And I'm like, I'm using my dad's account. But it's okay. It's just, you know, it's you know, it's she's like, I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's a guy. But yeah, please go check out her channel. She is like one of the top best like YouTubers. She's like awesome. Please go check out her channel and subscribe to her channel, like all of her videos, comment on all of her videos, and please view all of her videos. Oscar, you're sitting on Oscar. But that's all I can say, guys. So please go over to her channel. And Poplar Rose, please go over to why did that thing get so cool? Go! I almost died to that cougar. Look at my health. Guys, okay, back to this. Okay, look over here, and the red bar, look how low it is. Look how low my health is. I almost died to that cougar. Oh my gosh. Is that a male or is that female? That's still the female that's still that stupid female. Stupid female. Okay, but guys, please go check out their channels. I'll list, I guess, all of the YouTubers that you should probably go check out in this video right now. Joey Graceffa, Poplar Rose, Deadkins Productions, of course, as always. Simply Like, what else can I remember? Ellie Shadow Lady, I guess. Me. Sunday. I don't know, please. BF versus GF. And if you're a kid and you don't want to see people cuss, don't go to their channel. That's really all I can think of right now. I don't know. I have a lot more favorite YouTubers. Trust me, I have a lot more. You don't want to know how many I have. I could probably sit here for hours explaining how many I have, but those are just some of my favorites. That I can remember right now. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. Rizel. He's a Minecraft YouTuber. Razal, Royal Cutout. I gotta mark my territory. Look how long my territory is. Oh my gosh, how did I get slow? Okay, well, if you hear a silence, that means I'm focusing. I always go dead silence when I'm focusing. Is that with you guys? Or do you go dead silence when you're focusing? Because all the time. That's me all the time. Unless I'm recording a video. I hear a coyote. You hear coyote music? There is. See it. See that coyote eating that carcass? Yeah, after we mark our territory, we're gonna go get that coyote. I'm just peeing. Look at the pee. Look at it. That's so weird. Oh, guys, WolfQuest is like the best game, so please play it. There's WolfQuest 2.7. I think there's a WolfQuest 3 coming out soon, and it's awesome. Right of the Blatpy, I don't know how to pronounce that. You get to actually drink better wolves. I don't know, but they have a lot of new updates, guys. A lot. I think it's an update for WolfQuest 2.7. I mean, this isn't 2.7 anymore, is it? WolfQuest. 3.0? I don't know, but it's updated, so I know it's not 2.7 anymore. Let's go. Where's that coyote that I just saw over here? Where'd he go? Hello, Mr. Coyote? Mr. Coyote? Yeah. Coyote? Oh, there he is. Hello, buddy. Where's a girl? Is it a girl? It's a male. Okay, this is a male. See, look up in the top corner. You can see in the one with the black. See, male coyote 1 minute ago. Oh, we're in hunt. We're in hunt. Let's hunt. Let's hunt, guys. Oh no, we can't. I don't think we have time. Yeah, we don't have time. Sorry. We have to go back to feed the puppies before they die. I'm starvation. I have done a lot of talking. And if you hear a bell, that's just my cat walking in the background. It's her collar. What? She's getting under the covers. This is the cutest thing. Oh, never mind. She's not anymore. Oh, yeah, she is. Okay, I can't look at the screen and also pay attention to my cat on my bed. That's right next to my computer right now. I don't know. Oh, no, I can die. I'm gonna die. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's so cute, God. It's so cute right now. Okay, I'm gonna feed my puppies. I'm gonna feed my pups. Then we're gonna go and we're gonna go eat. And then I think I'm gonna end this episode for today. I don't know, it's been like 55 minutes. So 12 or 11 or 10, something like that. I don't know. I might not end it. Stay tuned because I might not end it, you know. I don't know why I laugh at things. Oh, she's getting into the covers. This is so cute. Aw, Goddess, come here. Did you just hear her meow? Goddess, come here. Goddess. Okay, Goddess is like right next to me. Goddess. Oh, she's in my lap. Big girl's in my lap. Oh no, oh no, oh no, guys. Oh no. Big girl's on my lap. She was on my lap at least. Oh no, no, don't kill my puppy. She's not anymore. Did you see how close she got to Monster? I think it was Monster. Goddess! Is that a girl or is it a boy? It is a female, so it's a girl. Goddess! What are you doing down there, kitty? She's just making home. Okay, I gotta... Oh no, no. They might not stay near the den. Turn up low. Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna go get some more food. Okay, our puppies are literally about to escape, so we gotta like pick them in their place. There's another coyote! How many coyotes are there? Oh, can you just please leave, sir or ma'am? I'm so sorry, ma'am. But you kinda gotta die, you know, I'm more of a wolf person, not really of a, stinky little rat mutt coyote person. Sorry. Puppy, stay near the den. How many times do I have to tell you? Mama does not have to tell you this many times. Lycan, why are you just standing around? You gotta do something. Lycan, okay. Good boy, Lycan. If you don't know who Lycan is, he's my mate. You probably do if you watched the videos earlier. Lycan, what are you doing? Oh, there you are. Okay, is it just me, or do I smell something really weird? Like, I don't know, but I smell something really weird. I don't know. Oh, look at those birds up there. This is gonna be so hard trying to fight for my puppies to live. I might even die myself. If you don't know, I have a limp leg. Watch me walk after I'm done eating this carcass. Watch me walk. Walk. See, my leg's limp. I need to go get another carcass, so I might have to hunt. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to hunt really quick. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Goddess, what are you doing? God's just like right under my feet. Did you hear her meow? Hello, ma'am. Let me come here, ma'am. Ma'am, your Mr. Bull Elk isn't gonna help you. You cow. You get it? Because it's a cow elk. Get it? So, I'm really actually talking about cow elk. Not really. I'm calling her the bad word. Not really. I'm not really calling her that. Okay, you have to die or something because this ain't gonna go on for long. Lycan, are you gonna help or what? I really need your help, Lycan. Where did Lycan go? Okay, Lycan. Lycan, kill it. Okay. Lycan! What? You could have been mates! Lycan. We can't let her escape. Oh no. Oh, no. Yeah, oh no. Oh no. Wow.
There's your undies.
Do you get it? Gee! Man! Will you leave? Oh no. Well, if you heard that lady say something, you did. It was my brother's girlfriend. She's not really that kind. Just kidding, she's amazing. She just came in here and said something really weird you don't want to know about. Okay, my pups are about to die. I gotta go feed them. Okay, this is hard being a parent. Yes, finally! I just gotta feed them. Then we can go and leave this nasty place. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end that there. Cliffhanger. Guys, so yeah, I don't know what to say, but bye guys. I talk so fast. I don't know what else to say except bye guys. See you later.